Building a future-proof organization. Trends for the next decade. The business landscape is evolving faster than ever, driven by rapid technological advancements, shifting workforce expectations, and global economic changes. Organizations that fail to adapt risk becoming obsolete, while those that anticipate and embrace future trends will thrive. In this lesson, we'll explore key trends shaping the next decade and strategies for building a future-proof organization that can withstand disruptions, embrace innovation, and sustain long-term success. Key trends shaping the future of organizations. 1. AI-driven workplaces. Artificial intelligence and automation will continue to transform jobs, decision-making, and operational efficiency. Organizations must find ways to integrate AI while maintaining a human-centered approach. 2. Remote and hybrid work models. The traditional office is giving way to flexible work arrangements. Companies must invest in digital infrastructure, collaboration tools, and strong workplace cultures to support distributed teams. 3. The rise of agile and adaptive structures. Static hierarchies are being replaced by fluid, team-based models that allow businesses to respond quickly to change. Organizations will need agility to restructure on demand. 4. Workforce reskilling and upskilling. Automation will reshape job roles, making continuous learning a necessity. Companies that prioritize employee development will maintain a competitive edge. 5. Purpose-driven organizations. Employees and customers alike are demanding more from businesses beyond profits. Social responsibility, sustainability, and ethical leadership will be critical for future success. 6. Decentralized decision-making. Companies are moving away from traditional top-down management styles. Empowered teams and AI-assisted insights will drive innovation and efficiency. 7. Cybersecurity and data privacy as top priorities. As businesses become more digital, protecting sensitive data will be critical for maintaining trust and compliance. 8. The gig economy and fractional workforces. More organizations will rely on freelancers, contractors, and project-based teams rather than full-time employees. Managing a blended workforce will become a crucial skill. Strategies for future-proofing your organization. 1. Embrace digital transformation. Invest in AI, automation, and cloud technologies to stay ahead of the competition. 2. Foster a culture of innovation. Encourage experimentation, adaptability, and continuous learning. 3. Prioritize employee well-being. Support flexible work arrangements, mental health programs, and meaningful work. 4. Develop leadership for the future. Equip leaders with resilience, strategic foresight, and emotional intelligence. 5. Stay agile and data-driven. Use real-time analytics to make fast, informed business decisions. 6. Build a resilient workforce. Invest in reskilling and talent development to prepare for future job shifts. Strengthen cybersecurity and ethical AI use. Ensure your organization is secure, transparent, and compliant. Organizations that actively anticipate these trends and adapt their structures accordingly will not only survive, but thrive in the next decade.